So, this is the slime I was playing with for you today. It was very difficult to do this video. I know it's not my normal video section, but I'm not going to show my face in most of my videos anymore. So, I'm going to do another face video in 20 years. You'll see what I look like in 20 years. So, rather than 5 years. Every 5 years I'll show my face. But some videos like that I have to show my face, but at the end of every video I'll show my face. I'll show one part of my body different. So, every video you'll see my hands, of course. Sorry about my nails, they're awful. So this is this slime. Every day I'm going to show you a different slime. So a lot of slime videos are going to be coming out. Sorry about the mess, just this is how I'm playing with my slime on this. All this stuff in my hands, so don't cringe about this, don't harm me. Don't please. So because I have this mess, at least I have the effort to do this for you guys. So this is the end of this video for today. Bye everyone.